Homa de la lenje number 2 la shoba de le thang touch de le shui ta taringa de corona park le de yu shui an de park ming ni ba de la fresh meadow park yang sigre te Queens se de New York City la boro nga yu banane boro cheshu ni ba de chagi yore Queens boro tege tene park cheshu corona park re ani nge de jablo te jambling ke ta khola ke sabta da uso gore ta de swe shabatin jishu de ani yarga memang choge troji tangsa thang ani de wo tene ya chu sip sip tene tordu ani to jola chibu tangsa re shwai ani nge duin de ani Queens ke museum te an sere ke museum che na lo pheba na temota ya dang hansaya ge ta tene mangpota ya yore shwai taringa de la chitang ki legobe jumchen de nabasola jik shushabaina ngaranso ta nganzo chije tang jaga khal yebe chenjur phe shungki ani uthi ke lamde ne nidong nyeji ke ani sikyong ke humi kongun pepatsen la ke jabjor wa namba khashe je ngaran chobo yode ani khonzo ke ngala dagon khabar le ne tarin de la nyentong zogala yoro che song 아니 송아 시송게 아니 라소스 인다 인스네 당아 다린데라 짜르디유 아니 나탄다 두시네 파파드로네 아니 콘나반 dun좀 낭데서 dun조게 빠 자베야당 년동 조야당 트발리아 참마 베준 치기 아니 나버초게 년동데 마조바도 세로 치시셔야이
사이트 데리 컴송기 다도 포모 영슬이야 참리 나데 다리 데레디 나란도기 시경 니사지기 현재는 계제 차대로 디송다 나란도기 시경디 다치 마치 파숨기다 지 단다 자르무치기 우메람기 시완디 냠자 도에다 엔직디 메교다 네 녀동 죽지네 단다 바래 인데 강에다 우체대로 디송도 다니 동 니슈네 딱지네 고츠네는 나란도기 시경 사바치 민고네 공업뱀바츠네 타치도 갑요치기 카인라나 공회기 우메람 시완디기 야제 남겨오래 다나시 여름 집과 동의치 차대어래 디스네 갑요시 도지체 다시 딜라이 야 세리 어디지 Hola sani tambo chege ming te dang tende sonro cherwani che trinde kungu pepa chering la ge jabjor namba la pesha te ndo gane ani kungu pepa chering la jabjor kharchine nangi yume te tab deu ngal chik sonro chera shwai
Hola so ngi mangla jigme sege nga dasani yo yen ani nga terande la pemba cherang la kungu pemba cherang la jabsa ani jitoni shi sa se ko la jabsa de la yong gu jimseng Chitanda Jimson Mambo, the doctors, Ishapaina Jimson, Rere Dangona, Tutuki Chani Dankamare. So, courage you use in a Pemba Serang La Jepsa, Nanga Chishu in the Kartongo, and a Pemba Serang let me. Ani Karsako ni bedo Milan Shok Tambo. Ani Shego Sala Shetamna. Ani Tanda Nantu Sensuru, who will be Dixik, Monetonic Nanga Chishu, Trim Jigora, Trim the Karchimba Zinkan Kanzak. Oh, Tintachila Munzingo, Tagamazu. Mixer Kangato Sensual me Dixik Lam Rimilam la Jaja Tambe Shechin Go Tumking or Dindiga Kansa Chicken Balan, talking around the Japta Chicken, Marjan Arangama, Lobza Sankila, Tanga and the Japta in Michigan, Lobza Sangina, Dinda what Lignon.
Natharin de la Newton Nustakjila, Sikyon Pembasri captured Chala de la Ani Kuna Tangdenda. Chokachulula, you are married, and I tumble up to Chay, to Chenang.
Jimbalapio, no new Jackson. I don't know to the Yana Kumula, Tosa Kumupamba, Nito Isa chicken, Sikonla Zangayo, and the Nazi language into that, Tila, Yamshi. Younger Jim said that Kumula, do it and Pelaka me. Metaina, top of the Chalino, we getting good Tony, who meet in Shalino Lati, Yichi Perajitanga, and you contact younger Muchiga, Gonzilla, touch it, Sharkishan King. Tenaji, Tranazi, and Tamangbazu, did you talk Saina, Tag container, Gundu, Yachicharanga Periore, and it under Lunga, Sikonga Ryan, and Kundala Monitangi, Gumpala Tezing Asu, Tangazu, Kakishan, and Asu, which Tezich. Rakare Samsung Tenaki Ichichi, Tene Kumala Ichichi, Tata Part, Sikyo Mambo she was only the Sama Yapundu, Rangina, Chisakuchi, Sama and Tata Susu, the Totaka Tamsetan, Shokuk, the Sama Chiti on the Rangi Gashot, near Kumupemba Chasso, and the Chili Terankula, Japchi, Tichi.
Like Chedong and Jagujari, no, and Pamsland and Junagan to. Kita tanda macam nangan tu kaki thane kita nyamnya rayor badu tu cenda menda gune ya kudu TSERING ngan tu kaki carinda nos tu cina.
Amala desonda ani kungu pemba TSERING la talo ni to ni chik lo la ani SIKYONG ge karsugre kupja topsa mare karik samgedo.
Ani thopre rasam gedol. Thobya grang su samsura taksura ye takara.
Ni to ni sajik. Tatilola ni Kumbambati ni Sijong Shangala ni Japcho Yoin.
Hola, so Tuchena, yeah.
Hi everyone, I'm Dr. Nancy Klein. I work here in New York as a family nurse practitioner in Queens. And this morning I came here and joined everyone, especially my mom and all. There's a lot of people here, a lot of Tibetans. And my reason for supporting Penpa Tsirinla is, I've known Penpa Tsirinla for a very long time. When I first met him during my medical school days in India, and I used to study in Pondicherry, and that's where I met him. And I know that time I really admired him because he was very kind and with a lot of leadership. And in Pondicherry we had there's a couple there who's like a Tibetan couple. They were very nice to us. It's Mr. and Mrs. Katak, and they were really good people. And us Tibetan students, we used to go to their house, and they really invited us. And especially on weekends, my other schoolmates, my medical schoolmates, like friends, Dr. Lobsang and Dr. Kelsang, we used to go to Mr. and Mrs. Katak's house. And that time we met Penpa Tsirinla because he used to come there from Madras. He used to study in Madras Christian College, and we used to meet in Pondicherry. And so that time I remember when we had a lot of Tibetan people come to my school, my medical school, to the hospital. It's a teaching hospital. And that time a lot of people used to come there, and Tibetan people, and he was also there to help. And one of the most important things that I found him doing was he really helped Kata Rinpoche when he was sick, in the hospital. So that was something really admirable. And also my mom and my sister and all of them, they say that like I never really met him in Bailakupi. I'm from Bailakupi, and I'm from second camp, he's from third camp. And that time I remember my mom and all, they say that he's really nice, this kid. Even when he goes to school, he was helping I remember there was one elderly couple in my village. It's Ajay Chambala's parents, what do you call it? Anna Chetan, he's one of the candidates for Chidi. His grandma and grandpa, he used to help them. Like even when he came back from school, he used to come to our village and help this elderly couple, So something even from childhood I know, he's done a lot of really good things to help our community. And of course, when he became the Speaker of the House and other leadership positions, I feel like he's very well read. He really understands a lot of not just politics, so many other things. He's really smart, and I would be really proud to have him represent me and represent the Tibetan people. So that's why I'm voting for him. I have support for PENPA.